Hello everybody, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video. Adobe Illustrator CC class number 7. So in this class, I will going to show you two tools. This tool is bold print tools and eraser tool and also knife tool. Okay, so now let's see how to work these tools. So everybody see my window. Now I'm going to show you how to draw any picture by bold tools. So these tools also similar to our brush tools, the print brush tools, and this tool equal to similar. Okay, just is the bold and this is not bold. So see, everything we are draw. If I draw a curve, then you can do it by this tool very easily. Okay. Okay, I think you got it. Actually, what does these tools? You can draw any picture, or you can draw anything, whatever you want, or what is the say your mind. Okay, you can draw. And the next tool is eraser tool. You can erase anything by this tool. Or if you want to increase or decrease your eraser or your mouse cursor, then you can do it from your keyboard. Just press your the keyboard button square bracket. Its bracket is decrease and the another is increase. Okay, I think you understand. Let's see actually what is the next tool. So this is a scissor tool. Oh, before I need to draw anything, which I cut the line. Okay, and select the scissor tool and cut this line. Look, this stick divided. Okay, you can divide it more and more. Sorry, and you can okay, this is the scissor tool. Just you cut in the middle or any position, you can cut anything by this tool. This is the scissor tool. So I hope guys you understand, and I believe that you utilize this tool and you become an expert and focus your mind for yourself to gathering everything. So in this video is enough for today. Have a good day.